Hi, I'm Ravindra, promoter of Just Quit from Quitting, represented by a company called Cauldron Innovations. This started actually with the encouragement of AGBA on Feb 2020, where I had the honor to open the event with the topic called Just Quit from Quitting. This actually happens to be my book, which is in the making with my team member and co-author Shalini. We are writing this book with a corpus of several case studies of people who wanted to quit in various scenarios. There could be people who are employed, entrepreneurs, elderly people, students, or for that matter, anybody. Okay. See, there is actually no dearth of online counseling, physical counseling, psychiatric counseling. There's n number of things which are already available. Okay, they all have the same language. They tell you to be positive, forget about the past, live in the moment, and all kinds of stuff. It's all easy to say, but every person is unique. Each and every person's problem is unique. Can't be generalized. And actually, people don't know what success means. In many ways, they can't imagine if they solve a particular problem, how would their life be? Okay. Just an example, if you see the last part of the movie Titanic, they would show a shot where if everything was well, where Jack and Rose, would lead a very beautiful life. So taking that cue, we developed AI-based simulation system which would take the conditions from various sources and also from the samples that we provide and actually create a virtual world for a person to imagine how would things look like if we solve these problems and what would it mean. Okay. This would give a visual situation and a motivation for someone to pursue that. So our solution is a combination of AI software, corpus data, plus uh, on-the-spot counseling. It comes with a package, and the background for this is actually my book, which is in the making. As a live case, we had one very unique person who had come to us, and it was actually a Pandora of problems, starting from the early marriage, abusive husband, and husband to an extent where he surrogated her for money, including selling one of the kidneys for his capital for a business, incestive father. Name a problem, it was there. And the lady used to work for more than 19 hours a day and excessive problems from 360 degrees. But it was about to almost kind of give it up situation. So when that person came to us with all our technology and experience, we created a virtual world for her, and we have shown how beautiful it is if you just do this process, you follow this process, and systematically we worked with her. She was under the impression that we will solve her problems. Actually, we don't. We only strengthen someone to solve their own problems. It's like we provide them the map, we provide them the knowledge, they have to try. So we did that, and happy to share that she's got a beautiful life. Kids are doing extremely well. She's independent, no fear of the husband. She's in a very respectable job, and she's a part of our team and a wonderful life ahead. So this is just quit from quitting. As a background, I had polio when I was 7 months old. For me, walking was a mystery. I have faced every possible challenge in mobility, socially, emotionally, and many things like that during my journey. But I didn't give up, and I've been a serial entrepreneur. More than 3,000 people work with me. I've managed operations in multiple countries. I've traveled to about 40 countries, and sometimes I've taken 400 flights a year. and the just quit from quitting is in me. It's a part of my DNA. I would like to spread it to millions of them, and particularly this is extremely important during COVID times because there are n number of problems, whether it is employment, relationship, everything all put together, and it's a very important framework that we developed by which people can benefit and come out of their issues in a positive way. Thank you very much.